Hey, good morning, everybody. We are on a beautiful walk today, and you can see how beautiful it is. This is the source to drink water. In ancient time, it was very clean. Now, see how beautiful it is. See, this is it. See how beautiful it is. It's eye-catching and it's very beautiful. Every day I'm on a beautiful walk on this track. Enjoy with us. You can see this place is amazingly beautiful, and you can view that's a beautiful village, and that is the backside of my village, and you can make it out how beautiful and how dangerous it is. You can see how dangerous it is. See, this is it, and I'll show you just a minute. This is the most dangerous place which I'm showing you right now, and amazingly beautiful. Just check it out. Just see how dangerous it is. And see the beauty. It's the most beautiful place. And this is the road. And by the side of road, and there you can see the beautiful fields. I hope you might be enjoying, and I'm on a beautiful track right now, and I'll show you something more beautiful than this. You can rejoice with me, you can enjoy and see how beautiful the fields are. You guys, just have a glimpse. This is amazingly beautiful, and every day I'm on a track. Hey, so I hope you may be enjoying the ride.